welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I'm a culture freak and who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today is part 2 of this Valentine's look. If you want to see the first part, I will have it up in the cards for you guys and everything. I'm very excited. I really am. Very excited, even though the eyes don't look the same, but it's okay. But make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content, and also don't forget the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. We're drama free and judgment free. We welcome everybody here. We enjoy makeup. We love to play with makeup. We like to have fun and have a blast and being creative. And of course, don't forget the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I usually go live every Monday at 10 a.m. for Get Ready With Me Monday, and I go live on Freaky Friday at 9 p.m. with my friend Char's Fashion Nation. And of course, I upload 3 times a week. I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 a.m. And of course, on every Wednesday, I am hosting a collab called the Beauties collab that I am with 3 other lovely ladies: Char's Fashion Nation, Mountain Witch Christine, and Barbara's Beauty Bag. We come up with every week, we come up with a new thing, and we see what we get to be inspired, get creative, and have fun, of course. So guys, today's video, like I said, this is part 2 of this Valentine's look. Even though the eye looks a little bit not the same, but my eye doesn't look the same. So I try to get them really close to even as possible, but the liners are liners. Liners are a pain in the butt. But practice makes perfect. You have to get better. If you want to get better, you have to keep practicing. So for today's, like I said, this is part 2. This is basically the lips and the full face, which I'm very excited. You get to see what products I've used and everything, because I know I haven't been showing a full length video, but I thought it'd be cool to show you more of a full face. I've been going for quite some time and been using the products, and just not saying, hey, this is the products I've used down below, blah blah blah. I want to show you what I've been doing. So it's very interesting. So the first product I'm going to use is the primer. It is the Revolutions Prime Matte and Fix Primer. I really do like this. As you know, if you've been here before, many of times I've talked about it. If you're brand new, I am going in no-buy setting spray and no-buy primers. That's clear eyeshadow primers, setting sprays, and face primers, because I got a whole bunch and I really don't need any more unless it's a mystery box and I kind of like it's a brand new product for me. But yeah, so I am only acne prone skin. I have psoriasis on my arm right here. I do get it on my elbow, and there's sometimes I get it in that so good area. Is that I've come to realize I don't have it on my face, but I do have acne. So like I said, I'm acne prone. I'm dealing with it it's not as bad as it used to be. I mean, it was like really, really bad, like on my forehead, and like when I say bad, I mean bad. Like I did not take care of my face like I should have as a teenager, but I was always stressed out, and it was just so bad. Yeah. So I have acne prone skin. My skin is pretty good. It's getting away. I do have acne right here. I do have acne scars, and everything. So like I said, I'm gonna let my face set for a minute. I do like this look. So since that's set pretty much, I'm going to do my lips on camera, of course. So I love this stuff. Now, I don't know if I'm going to go bright pink lips or not. I don't know. But I'm going to use the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer. Now, I'm going to do some spots right here that really needs it. that really does need it. It's, you know, my stress level is pretty good. But yeah. So what I like to do is just tap it in with my finger. Keep on swimming, and just keep on tapping. And what I can do with my fingers, it gets a nice little blurring, you know. Sometimes I use the whatever, but I'm a full coverage matte tap girl. Sometimes I get in the mood to do a, you know, a glowy skin depending on my mood. But I'm more like into the right in the middle of the, like I'm right in the middle. Like I don't want too matte and I don't want it too shiny. I just don't like it when it's way too shiny and it's just like, what the heck is going on? Like I don't understand what people really like shiny things like on their face. I feel like they'll make them look oily, but I know it's just that. But everybody has their likes and dislikes, so yeah. So the next product I'm going to use is the Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is actually my favorite concealer at the moment. Like I like LA Girl. I do need to get some more, but I don't know yet. I really do like this one, but there's a big but in this, and it's going to be always going to be but. Sometimes I hate my life, and that's one of those days. Okay, I like to put it on my. I know a lot of people that don't do that, and I don't use a blending sponge or beauty sponge, I should say, because it's just not my thing. But I like to put it right here, basically into my center of my face, and I like to put it right here. Now, this is like my perfect shade. Like it really is my perfect shade. It has a yellow undertone to it, and I'll talk about that when I get to the foundation. Because I feel like, but yeah. I really do like this product very much. Now, I do put this under my eyes because it does give me a nice blend under the eye and a nice highlight too. I don't do a lot of highlight under my face. I just don't. Like I do highlight. I do the basic highlight with the thing, but not with concealer. So what I like to do, I'll put it right here. It covers my redness that I have. Because I do have red. My nose wants to run. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. But that's just another thing to deal with. So we're just gonna have that right. What I like to do too, I like to put the extra and just have it just like that, like that. So it'll be like, oh, okay. You know what I mean? Okay. And then I go with my Revolution Conceal and Define foundations. Full coverage foundation. Is a liquid foundation. I really do like this. I am going to repurchase this. I'm going to repurchase this on Amazon because why not? You know. It's F1. It's a neutral. It's a very neutral foundation. It's perfect for me. It does give you a matte finish, which I do like. I just do it right here where the places I haven't not really done, and I just go right here the places I haven't done because it's like I said, it's a very perfect as you can see. That's why I use my finger to, you know, where the places that I set it. I'm not too worried about that because that's just, and see the difference. Like you see the difference. It's like such a perfect foundation. Like it really is. It's like a really perfect foundation. Even the light's not really showing that, but one of these days I will have a brand new camera. This is not Tarte, but I do have this in a container because the product from this is in its own. It's the YCCollection setting powder. It has a very yellow undertone, but for me it does not have that problem. Like it's thing, so it's very powdery. The thing that has a swifter and it goes everywhere every single time. It's very, very powdery, and it's just more of a pain of the butt to deal with. So I'm really not wanting to. So I just kept it, put some in there, and just kept it. I do have more setting powders than I need. I do have my favorites, and I'm just trying to use up the products I'm trying to use up before I buy any more. I'm gonna put it right here on the places that needs to be set, and it's like more of a places that gets to be oily. Now I've done this for a while now, which I do. Have been doing it for a while because I don't like have it set all over my face because it looks really too powdery, and I really don't want that. So I've been putting it in the places that I know I will need it, like right here, like around my nose. It gets the oiliest part of my nose, and see, it doesn't really, it mattifies, which I do like, but it will make it gradually fades away, which I do like about the stuff I've been using, because it gradually goes away. And I like that. I don't like it just like, oh, it goes away within 5 hours, and you're like, damn, what happened to your makeup? So, you know what I mean? So we're gonna keep it, and sometimes I use this powder to blend out the eyeshadow. I keep it where, like I said, I love this stuff. I do have a affiliate link for them. It's the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this stuff. It works, does its job. So my highlight / contour palette is Profusion. As you can see, I hit pan. I've been hitting pan for quite some time. I even mentioned this many of times. I wish a lot of brands would make these come, especially with these, make these magnetic, and this buy the shade that you want, and there you go. And apparently ColourPop did that with their eyeshadows, but I feel like they should do that with their, I feel like brands should do that with their facial contour palettes and highlight palettes, and they should, do that instead with eyeshadows. But eyeshadows, hey, whatever works for them, right? What I like to do, I go like this, both sides, do it right here, and sometimes I do like a C, like this, a 3, I should say, do, there you go. But first, I like to do this. I like to go up with my contour, and then I like to blend it into the skin. Like, go up, instead of going down, go up, and then go into a circular motion. That would give you more of a, as you can see, it looks totally different. It gives you more color, and it gives you more definition. That's what contour really is give you more definition and change the shape of your face. Okay. The blush I'm going to use is the Sunkissed Love and Brush palette. Shoot, almost. So this palette is really pretty. This is definitely cruelty free. I really like all these shades. These are like two highlighter, like blushes / highlights, so it's a mixture. For this look, I'm actually going, I can go a bright blush, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to use Sweet Cupid, a nice color. And what I like to do, I just follow the contour a little bit, but same thing, go up and just spread it out like that. Back with that. Now I'm going to use Revolution, iHeart Revolution, and Beloved from the Aristocats collab. I got these because I got this one because I thought it was really pretty, and it's a really pretty highlight. This gives you a nice pink highlight. Nice and pretty. So, put it around the nose. I like that right on the nose. Sorry, I was like looking like it like that. And sometimes you can do it on the forehead. And so this is called Bay Mine. This is from Liveglam. I do have a feel. Not a feeling it was referral. So. Smells like vanilla cupcake. The finished look. This is finished part 2. So we finished part 2. If you like this kind of content, like you like to see just eyes, and then I can do that, and then do part 2 where you get to see the full face. It's gonna be like 2 hours or 3 hours, and everything. But I really do like this very much. I mean, it's really cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. I like it. I like this. Like, really do like this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you do like the video. Make sure to hit the like button so I know if you like this kind of content. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. We are drama free and judgment free. Here, we welcome everybody here. We like to have fun with makeup and be creative. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. I usually go live every Monday and Friday. Monday for Get Ready With Me Monday at 10 a.m. and Freaky Friday at 9 p.m. with my friend Char's Fascination. I do upload 3 times a week. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. And I host a collab called the Beauty Collab that I have 3 fabulous ladies here with me, Char's Fascination, Mountain Witch Christine, and Barbara's Beauty Bag. Every week we come up with a new thing and let's have fun with it and let's get creative and have fun. And that is at 1 p.m. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!